Okay, sorry, the camera died. All right, get this out of log form. The base, and any base needs a power, and that's what the log equals, which is y, and then x will be by itself. Okay. Okay, I will be doing the 2 through -2, but this time I'll be in for y instead of x, and there is an asymptote, but it would be, if I had to graph it, I would draw it this way. Okay, I would go left to right, and then make a vertical. Okay, so y, 2, 1, 0, -1, -2. Okay, and then the asymptote is the -10. So 6 to the second power is 36. 6 to the 1 power is 6. Anything to 0 power is 1 unless you have other crap with it. Okay, 6 to the -1 power, 0.17. 6 to the -2 power is 0.03. And 6 to the -10th power is pretty much 0. So the 0, so like that. Okay. I'm actually going to plot a piece of graph paper so you can see how I would do it. Okay. Next one, get rid of the log by setting your base 2. And it's to the y power equals x. So the x is by itself, so the x is going to be the output this time. Okay. So I want to put the numbers in for y. Okay, so 2 to the second power is 4, 2 to the 1 power is 2, 2 to the 0 power is 1, 2 to the power -1 is 0.5, and then I do -2, 0.25. Okay, to find the asymptote, we're going to input -10 for y. And that's pretty much 0, okay? Okay, so the asymptote, when I plug the numbers in for the y, the asymptote's going to be this way, okay? So I would make zeros right here from left to right, so this would be the line I never cross. Usually on the assessments, it's been that way. So 4, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 up 2. 2, 1, I go right 2 up 1. 1, 0. 5, or 0.5 and -1, so right here. And then 0.25 and 2, okay? So 0.25 is just this way, and then I'm down 2. Okay, now the asymptote now goes completely different. It's going to be like this, okay, when it's a log graph. Okay, my next one. Watch out for that +1. So the base is 5, y equals x plus 1. Now, you need to get rid of that +1, okay? You need to -1, and then I'll -1 after the 5 to the y power. Okay, so now it's set up beautifully, and I would insert the numbers for y this time. Okay, so 5 to the power of 2, and then I -1, gives me 24. 5 to the power of 1 -1 gives me 4. 5 to the power of 0 -1, 0. 5 to the power of -1 -1 is -0.8. And then 5 to the power of -2 -1 is -0.96. Okay. And then plug in -10. Okay, it's pretty much 1, -1. But I would make the asymptote in the other direction. Instead of going here, I go to -1 here, and it's a vertical asymptote. Okay, And then the same thing's going to happen 24, 2. So I go 5, 10, 15, 20, 24 up 2. 4, 1. I'd go 1, 2, 3. Or I'm going by 5, so 4 would be here. Okay. Okay, and then all that happens is you're just going to get all the rest of your points close to that. Never cross it. Okay. Okay, now you see how I would set that out for a graph. Okay, next one, base 10, and the power is y, and then after the base 10 we got x minus 2, but I need to plus 2, and then I will plus 2 after the 10 to the y power. Okay, so now since the x is by itself, I don't want to put the numbers in for x, I want to put them under the y. So 2, 1, 0, negative 1, negative 2, negative 10 is the asymptote. So 10 to the 2 power plus 2 is 102. I'm not going to graph this one. 10 to the 1 power plus 2 is 12. Okay, 10 to the 0 power. It's not 1 because you got to add 2. It's going to be 3. 10 to the negative 1 power plus 2 gives me 2.1. Ten to the negative 2 power plus 2, 2.01 again. And now I'm going to plug in negative 10. So 10 to the negative 10 plus 2, that's pretty much 2. Okay, so the asymptote would be 2, and that would be my table. Again, if I made the asymptote this time, I would go on the x-axis to 2. It would be a straight go like that. Okay, next one, 6 to the y power equals x minus 2, so I'm going to need to add 2 would be the easiest way to go. So 6 to the y power plus 2 equals x, and then it's the same crap, okay? But I want to put the numbers in for y, not x. So 2, 1, 0, negative 1, negative 2, then negative 10. So 6 to the 2 plus 2 is 38. 6 to the 1 plus 2 is 6 plus 2, that's 8. 6 to the 0 is 1 plus 2 is 3. 6 to the negative 1 plus 2 is 2.17. 6 to the negative 2 plus 2 is 2.03. And pretty sure it's 2 by the way it's behaving. Yep. Okay. I just need to see your 2 through negative 2 and then negative 10. Okay. All right. It's base 7. And the power is y. Again, that's how you get rid of a log. You take your base, whatever it's equal to is the power, then x plus 3. Okay. So I want to put the numbers in for y. Oh, I need to minus 3 first. Okay, so 7 to the y power minus 3 equals x, and then it's the same song and dance. 46. 4. Negative 2. Now I'll have to do negative 10. Because anytime one of the variables is a power, there's going to be an asymptote somewhere. Negative 2.86. Negative 2.98. Negative 3. Okay, so what I was saying on that, you might run into that in trig. Got to do the assignment though.